Instant skin whitening with sandalwood powder. This requested remedy for my follower Badr. What are the benefits of sandalwood mask on face? Amazing homemade sandalwood face packs every woman must try. Number 1. Anti-aging properties. Number 2. Natural skin whitening with sandalwood. Number 3. Chandan works well to cure acne and pimples. Number 4. Sandalwood powder for acne scars. Number 5. Suntan removal with sandalwood. Ingredients: yogurt 4 tablespoons. Gram flour 1 tablespoon. Sandal powder 1 tablespoon. I have taken sandal powder of Saeed ghani for 280 rupees, in which you get 25 grams of powder. You can buy from any store or online from Saeed Ghani's website. You can use any brand of sandalwood powder. Add 1 tablespoon sandal powder. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour. 4 tablespoon yogurt. Mix all the ingredients well to combine them. It can help manage several skin issues like signs of aging, pigmentation, and acne. Mixing sandalwood powder with yogurt can create a powerful face mask that can rejuvenate your skin. Moreover, sandalwood powder can balance the excess oil and sebum on the face, nourish the skin, and provide relief from acne. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes. Gently massage the face with plain water and wash it off, and use any moisturizer. You can also use this remedy on your hands and feet.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.
وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى جمال